Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Lasso Tool lets you draw freeform selections to make curved selections. The Lasso Tool shares the same button in the toolbox with the Polygonal Lasso Tool and the Magnetic Lasso Tool. Because each tool behaves differently, you will have to look at how to use each tool on an individual basis. To use the Lasso Tool, click the Lasso Tools button in the toolbox. In the Tool Options bar, be sure the Lasso Tool is selected. Also choose the type of selection to make in the Tool Options bar, just as you did with the marquee tools. To create a selection, click and drag with the mouse to draw a freehand selection. Trace the outline of the area to select, making sure you drag it back to the origin or starting point. If you release the mouse before dragging it back to the starting point, Elements draws a straight line from where you stopped, dragging back to the origin point for you. To draw a straight line as you are drawing, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and click from where you want the line to begin to where you want it to stop to create a straight line between the points at which you click.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.